Good morning students. Today we will discuss questions of brain teaser of chapter 2. Here in question number 1, A part, 6 bells commence tolling together and toll at intervals of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. After how many minutes will they toll together again? It means we have 6 bells which are tolling after 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 seconds respectively. We have one questions in the worksheet 6 also like this. So when will they toll next? It means we have to find the minimum time, lowest time when they will toll together. It means we have to find the LCM here. So we will calculate the LCM of these numbers. Here LCM of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 is 120. It means after 120 seconds they will toll together next. We will convert it into minute by dividing 60, because in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So we are getting 2 minutes. It means after 2 minutes they will toll together next. So here our answer is option 4, 2 minutes. In B part, SCF of two numbers is 11 and SCF is 7,700. If one of the number is 275, find the other number. Here we have given SCF and LCM of two numbers, and first number is also given. Here we have to find the second number. So first we will write SCF, LCM, first number, and second number is question mark because we have to find this. Here we will write the property, which is 8th property, which we have used in worksheet 7, product of numbers. Here I have written first number into second number, means product of numbers is equal to SCF into LCM. Here first number is 275, second number is not given, so we have written second number as such, and SCF is 11 and LCM is 7,700. This 275 will be in the denominator of the right hand side, and when we will solve it we will get 308. It means second number is 308. In C part, greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly the length 7 meter, 3 meter 85 centimeter, 12 meter 95 centimeter is. First of all we will convert all the lengths into centimeter. 7 meter, in 1 meter there are 100 centimeters, so 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. 3 meter 85 centimeter, 3 into 100 plus 85, because it is already 85 is in centimeter, so it is 385 centimeter, and 12 meter 95 centimeter will be 1295 centimeter. So we have to find the greatest possible length. Greatest means we have to find here highest common factor. So we will find the SCF of these three numbers by using continued division method, and we will get the SCF 35. So here we will choose the answer 35, which is in the first option. In D part, 252 can be expressed as a product of prime. So we will do the prime factorization of 252 and we will get the one of these four. If we do the prime factorization of 252, we will get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, which is in the first option. So first option is our answer. E part, which of the following is a factor of every natural number? Natural number are all the countings 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and here 1, 0, minus 1 and every number. So our answer is 1, because 1 is the factor of all the natural number. Now C part of B question, express 132 as a sum of two odd primes. We have to write 132 as a sum of two prime numbers, and that should be odd also. It means odd primes. So 132 can be written as 61 plus 71, and 61 is odd prime and 71 is also odd prime. Now see D part, what should be added to 4057 to make it divisible by 9? It means 4057 is not completely divisible by 9. We have to add some number to this so that it is completely divisible by 9. here we use the divisibility test of 9. In the divisibility test of 9 we do the sum of the digits. So here sum of the digits is 16, but we have to add something to it, so I have put here dash. Now we will divide 16 by 9 because we want to add something to the given number, so we will read the table more than 16. 9 2 is 18, so if we subtract 16 from 18 we are getting 2. It means 2 is added to the number for making that number divisible by 9 completely. See question number 2. Or 32, 34 co-prime number y. What are co-prime number? Numbers which have only one as a common factor. Here we have written factor of 32 and these are the factor of 34. Here 1 is common, 2 is common, so it means 32 and 34 are not co-prime, because if there is only one as a common factor then only they will be co-prime, but there are 2 also their common factor, so 32 and 34 are not co-prime numbers. Question number 3. Write any 4 twin primes between 50 and 110. We have to write twin primes between 50 and 110. Twin primes are those prime numbers which have difference of 2. So these can be 57, 59, 59, 61, 71, 73, 101 and 103. See question number 6. State which of the following numbers are divisible by both 3 and 9. So divisibility of 3 and 9 are we do the sum of the digits. So we will do the sum of the digits in both the cases and we will divide that sum by 3 and 9 in both the cases. If sum is divisible by 3, number is divisible by 3, and if sum is divisible by 9, number is divisible by 9. In A part we are getting the sum 27 and 27 is divisible by 3 and 9 both. It means this number is divisible by 3 and 9 both. In B part we are getting the sum of the digits 21. 21 is divisible by 3 but 21 is not divisible by 9. It means this number is divisible by 3 but not by 9.